If you're wondering why your home hasn't sold yet, or more importantly, if you want to avoid these mistakes in the future, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, my name is Witte. I'm a realtor here in central Minnesota. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 reasons why your home may not be selling. I know this is a common question that people have asked me before, and it's important to understand the factors that can affect the sale of your home. First of all, are you struggling to sell your home? If you're a homeowner who is having difficulty selling, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue, and we're here today to talk about them. Here are the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling and what to do about them. The number 1 reason is pricing problems. This is a very common issue as many homeowners price their home too high in hopes that they'll leave some room for them to negotiate downward. However, this may end up turning buyers away and losing you money in the end. Today's buyers are getting better information online than ever before, and they are much more educated and prepared than ever before. So listen to the feedback you're getting in your open houses, because you may find the common problem is usually the price. In most cases, you need to lower your price a little, and the right agent can help you do that appropriately and in a timely manner based on market trends and conditions, not just on comparable homes sold. The second issue we see are product problems. Sometimes there may be a problem with your home. Again, listen to what people say at your open houses and respond to the feedback. Maybe there are renovations or updates you need to make. However, sometimes it can be as simple as decluttering to show that the home has more space. Also, a common problem is staging. The correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, paint, and a few other things, will make a huge difference. The third thing is marketing problems. The truth is that you won't sell your home if buyers don't even hear about it. Make sure you work with an agent who has a top-notch marketing plan. The majority of consumers start their home search by looking online, so make sure you have an excellent listing. Also, work with someone who knows how to get your listing seen by the most amount of people, including through social media and even a virtual open house. I'm a member of the National Association of Expert Advisors. We use a proven, repeatable system backed by market research to help sell your home for up to 18% more than the methods used by traditional real estate agents. I can help you identify as many of the over 100 variables as possible before you list your home to help you determine the best strategy and price that will help you sell your home for the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time. Again, this is Witte with EXT Realty here in central Minnesota. And as always, if you have any questions about real estate, don't hesitate to contact me by phone or email. I look forward to helping you sell your home.